Morning, Dave. Here, James Braithwaite here. Just having an early morning snack. I think. Just got back from doing a bit of emergency shopping, so I haven't used my toaster for ages actually. So we're doing something good and honest. Okay. Something to have in front of the computer while we do all the uploading. Okay. All right, Rizzo. All right, I'm here. And stick the bread in the toaster. I haven't used the toaster for ages, if I'm honest. You know, because I don't normally do this sort of thing. Well, not enough, anyway. I think Rizzo wants to. Yeah. He wants as much to eat as I do. He's a lovely little puss. Right. Okay. You win. Get your grinner on that, mate. Weird, really. I've been in my pit for 3 days, but it's nice to be up and about. Even if it is at about 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh no, I'll tell a lie, just after midnight. I'm sorry if this is a bit of a weird angle, but then again, let's just see if we can. No, it's not worth the bother. Just the waiting part now, eh? He's chomping away happy. This. That other one should be ready in a minute. Nice and steamy spaghetti. Just wait for the bread to finish toasting. And up she pops. I used to eat this a lot when I was a kid. See if we can't rekindle any memories. Okay. Let's pour it on. Do this in front of the camera for you. Oh, yes. Lovely. Right. Okay, one spaghetti on toast. I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.